Hello everyone, welcome to the Rlaarlo Engineering Workshop. Today, we'll show you how to install the XTS Rally Car 190mm conversion kit. First, prepare the necessary parts. Steering link rods, upper steering links, rear dog bones, front CVDS, body post mounts, front and rear lower suspension arms, anti-roll bars. We'll start by removing the steering link rods. Then, detach the front and rear upper and lower suspension arms and the anti-roll bars. Next, remove the CVDS and rear dog bones. Install the body post kit onto the shock mounts. First, remove the two screws securing the body shell. Disconnect the LED light plug. Take off the wheels. Unscrew all the screws securing the front bumper. Remove the front bumper to make room for the upgraded parts. Unscrew the set screws holding the upper arm pins. Pull out the pins. Next, remove the screws and nuts securing the upper arms. Take off the upper arms. To make the process easier, remove the screws securing the bottom of the shocks. Take out the shocks, then remove the anti-roll bars. Unscrew all bolts securing the anti-roll bars. If the anti-roll bars are too tight, use an appropriate tool to pull them out. Transfer the components from the original anti-roll bars to the shorter anti-roll bars included in the kit. Unscrew the two screws securing the front suspension blocks to the chassis. Remove the blocks and pins. Separate the left and right steering links and replace them with the upgraded parts. Unscrew the set screws holding the pins and pull the pins out. Remove the couplers and pins. Take out the CVDS, ensuring no spacers are left behind. After all parts are removed, replace the original CVDS and suspension arms with the upgraded ones and reinstall them. Pay attention to the two upper suspension link rods. The shorter rod goes in the front, the longer rod goes in the rear. Once assembled, secure the entire assembly to the chassis with screws. Ensure no screws are missing on the suspension arms. Install the anti-roll bars. Tighten all screws securely. Secure the steering link rods. When installing the link rods, note the ball end design. The larger flange faces the shock tower holes. The other side attaches to the C-hub. Use the provided screws to secure it. Finally, secure the shocks. Check the suspension arm for proper movement. Reinstall the front bumper. Next, follow the same steps to replace the rear suspension arms and related components. Remove the rear mounting brackets. Detach the shocks. Remove the upper arms and anti-roll bars. Unscrew the bolts securing the arm mounts. Remove the rear hub carriers. Replace the original parts one by one with the upgraded components. Install the anti-roll bars first. When installing the rear wheel carriers, insert the pins first. Add the included spacers. Ensure no parts are missing, then insert the wheel hubs. When inserting the pins through the wheel hubs, add the other spacer. Fully insert the pins and secure them with screws. Repeat the same steps for the other side. Insert the assembled parts into the chassis. Secure all screws and tighten the anti-roll bars. Note the two black metal pieces in the kit. These were previously used to secure pins. Now they replace the original nylon parts for screw fixation. Attach the black pieces to the shock mounts, then secure the upper suspension rods with screws. Reinstall the shocks. Secure the rear bumper screws. After final checks, attach the wheels. The chassis assembly is now complete. Finally, install the body post mounts. The body posts have multiple holes. Adjust the height according to your body shell. You can fine-tune the steering link rods to correct wheel toe angles. Similarly, adjust the upper suspension rods to correct wheel camber angles. Adjust the droop limit screws on the suspension arms to change ride height and suspension travel. That's the complete guide to installing the XTS Rally Car 190mm conversion kit. Thank you for visiting the Rlaarlo Engineering Workshop.